Hello friends, welcome to this class. I'm going to show you how you can create citations and the bibliography in Microsoft Word using Mendeley. And of course, when you have installed the app, yes, when you have downloaded the app, you can refer to one of the videos. I show you how you can download and how you can install the app. So when you have done that, now mainly you see you automatically use able to locate the mainly add-ins in Microsoft Word. Now you're able to locate it under references. Now you can click on references here. Let's say I'm typing actually the researcher was of the view that so and so. Then you want to cite the author, click on citation. When you click on citation, now you can locate article by title or author or year in your library. Okay, let's say it starts with impact. Impact, can you see that? And let's say this is evaluation. This is the article. Click on it. Click OK. Can you see that? So you have the citation. Let's say the second one too. Let's say there are 10, as many as they are. So you can create your citation, and at the end of it, generate your bibliography, computer assisted. So this is another one. So better. So at the end of it, if you have 5, 10, 15, you can now just one click, and that's instant. You can generate your bibliography. Now you have your bibliography, and if you click here, it's going to show you the edition. So this is 7th edition. So if you need to change to 6th or other citation style or more style, you can click it and select based on your preference and based on what you are doing. So this is how you can cite and create bibliography with Mendeley in Microsoft Word. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can get our subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.